Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we've got an Amazon unboxing. A couple of things in here, something I love to eat, and obviously a diamond painting. You know what Amazon are like, they just love to shove it all in one box. I don't think we've ever done a diamond painting unboxing with biscuits in, but yeah, why not? So, can I just say, before I go into this, I have found a brand new app. With the Just Play game, they will introduce you to new apps, and this new app is called Rewarded Play. It needs to be an Android phone, and it will work. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put like a referral link, if you like, in the description of the video. And if you sign up to that and play a game, you will get your £5 gift card free just for signing up, I suppose. And it helps me out because I get a fiver out of it too. But I literally got £5 from it. It's so much better than Just Play. And this is what funded this. So yeah, more freebies the better, I think. So let's put the pack to one side. Now let's show you the first thing that I got. After the catastrophe we had with the bloody coconut rings, I decided to go for these, and it's Oreo biscuits. Yes, these are much more better, as you can see. If we was to open them, I'm going to eat them in a minute anyway. So as you can see, all lovely, beautifully packed. As you can see, all packed lovely. Not a single breakage there. But yeah, then coconut rings. I mean, to be fair, they're really badly designed biscuits because they crumble like hell. So, but you never know. The way it was packed, that was definitely an Amazon problem. So yeah. Now, this cat, you may have seen it on, if you watch Diamond Paints with TM, who's one of my co-hosts for the show that we normally do on a Thursday. It's just too busy at the moment to bring that back at the moment. It was Christmas, and I wanted to send her a Christmas gift, being the humble person that I am. And generous person that I am, and I wanted to send her a gift for Christmas. And one of the things I thought I'd get for her was this Christmas diamond painting cat, because she loves her cats. And I said, send me a photo once you've done it. I'd like to see how it turns out. And it was so good, I literally had to buy it. I did originally put it in the basket for myself, but I was like, I really need to see someone do it first. So yeah, she very kindly sent me a photo of what it looked like, and this is what it is, guys. Look at this. So in here, we'll get our standard things in a minute, but this is so cute. Look at that. These two little tabby cat things, 30 times 40. Did I just call them things? I do apologise. It's tabby cat things. Tabby cats, it's like they're watching the fireworks, but they do give you like a Frozen vibe from the Disney film Frozen. It's like ice crystals and stuff. And then look, you got two little double cats. It's like the sun is shining on his back there. But being nighttime, I think they're watching, as Tessa said, I think they're watching the fireworks. 30 times 40, 28 colours on the schematic there. But look at the print. The print is so beautifully done. There's not a single blurriness or nothing. You can see pretty much all the detail. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, what you could do is with these eyes here, you could put like crystals in there if you wanted to. I don't know if I've got any on my desk. I did have, but yeah, you could put like dark blue crystals in there. Yes, here we go. So you could probably swap them out for some of these maybe for the eyes. And I just think I just loved it. I really loved it. So yeah, I think it was like £3.89 for this one. And yeah, let's take a look at the drills here that we've got here. We've got our standard boat. As you can see, the standard boat there with your wax and baggies. And then in here, guys, I was so happy I bought it. And it's even nicer that I didn't have to pay for it. So it does, you know, help you out with playing all these games, because you get quite a lot of things out there. Near enough, since I found Rewarded Play and Just Play, near enough everything I get from Amazon is free, because I just get it via the vouchers. So yeah, it's doing me a favour really. And in here we've got some blues, a dark blue. Again, that could have gone there. We've got a light blue, another light blue. We've got a purple. We've got a pink and an orange and a purple. Very vibrant purple there. Sunny Stormy's favourite there. And we've got a teal and a burgundy red and a terracotta sort of colour. Probably a 666 there. Is it number 2? 666. Number 2 is a 349. So you're out of luck, Tessa. And then we got a pink there as well. And then let's take a look at the other drills that we've got here today. And that is the light blue. We've got a teal. We've got a burgundy red. A sort of browny sort of colour. A peachy pink. A very vibrant turquoisey blue there. Sort of like mid-purple. A minty white. I don't know, teal sort of colour, a peachy pastel colour. Love the pastel drills. We've got a yellow, a purple, a lilac, and also a brown. So absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to get started. As you know, I want to do another cat theme this year. I don't know when it will be yet, but I wanted to get some more cats. And this came up and I was like, I've got to do this. This is so... It's just the print. I mean, how the hell they've got this so beautifully done. It really, really is fantastic. It's such a lovely print. And I can't wait to see it done. So that's that. Thanks so much for watching. As I said, I will put the rewarded play in the link. I know Tiger Lily might want to play that. Because that one is a bit less on the adverts. With Just Play, you've got an advert nearly after like 3 times a punch in that monster thing. Yeah, it's constant adverts, and it's the adverts that give you the most vouchers, so you have to watch them. Otherwise, you're not going to get much vouchers. But I will enjoy this lovely pack of biscuits. 89p for these, absolute bargain. So if you like Oreo, then yeah, they're on offer at the moment on Amazon for 89p. But until then, thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you very soon for another Amazon unboxing. Bye!